Tablescape Tuesday is a collaboration where we decorate our table for a fabulous time with others. And since Valentine's Day is coming up really soon, I decided that I would do a Valentine's tablescape. So let's see how we can wow our guests with what we have already. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. Check out the amazing Valentine's tablescape and subscribe. Well, you start with a clean table and just throw a pink, beautiful white floral with a little Cupid design on a linen tablecloth. And you need this to cover the top of my dark wood table. Now, linens is always where I start. A soft pink tablecloth instantly calms the table. And pink sort of feels soft and gentle and caring. Pattern linen can work if the pattern is small and subtle, which is what mine is, very soft and subtle. And when I place them together on the table, it feels like blending, passion and kindness. That mix makes the guests feel relaxed and happy at the same time. On the top of the tablecloth is a silver ruffled charger that was placed on a table for four. Now you can do a plain silver instead of the ruffle, but I wanted a little pizzazz. Then a white plate was placed on top for a classic look. The silverware was a roped knife, fork, and spoon that was placed on either side of the charger. A beautiful pink resin coaster was placed on top of the table by the charger. And a clear wine glass was put on top to carry the pink theme for Valentine's Day. This keeps the look fresh and light. Balance kind of matters a little bit more than matching, but I think it gave it a real serene look. Then a handmade napkin ring with a wooden heart that was topped with glitter and was threaded through a pink cotton napkin. I placed a silver heart-shaped nameplate in front of the charger. I sometimes add handwritten place cards too, and you can still do that. That small personal touch makes the guests feel like they're seen. Then for the centerpiece, I used 4 silver candlesticks that were grouped together. I got the silver candlesticks at a estate sale, and you can put them in different configurations. But I thought that having a little space in the middle was a nice place to put a pop of color. With a hot pink hydrangea in the middle, and that gives it the pop of color it needs for the table. And soft white candles were placed on the candlesticks to create instant warmth. Green leaves were sprinkled around the candlesticks, along with some scattered clear gems to give the arrangement some depth. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by the Grace Life Home Decor, so be sure to subscribe to our channels, like, and save. The hashtag is Tablescape 2026. I would love to hear from you. And please subscribe. This tablescape is not only for Valentine's Day, but it may fit many other occasions. And like I said, the hearts are optional. And when used lightly, not too heavy, very calm and sweet. Not every inch of your table needs color. Some white space, some wood, or neutral tones give the eye kind of a little place where it needs to rest. And if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Creativity is good for your health and keeps your mind active. Sometimes it turns out great, and sometimes it turns out different than what you expected. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each week. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, God is love. Blessings. Love, Cindy.